1968 was the earliest multimedia device I can remember using. It was a black and white television with rabbit ears for reception. Black and white TVs were marketed in the 1940s. The television screen of a black and white TV was coated with white phosphor. The phosphor is hit with an electronic beam in a right-to-left retrace pattern known as horizontal retrace, creating a white glow. The electronic beam contact caused the magnetic cells to move, creating an image on the screen. There was no remote, and you had to stand up in order to change channels. Such as a rotary telephone were marketed in 1919. I can remember my first exposure to this amazingly fun device when I was 4 years old. The rotary phone uses decadic dialing. A number 0 through 9 on a circular wheel was used with a mechanical barrier to prevent over-rotation. Dialing takes place one digit at a time. Each number created specific pulsations, causing interruptions of the electrical current flowing through the local loop. These interruptions were decoded by the telephone exchange. Cassette players are magnetic recording and playback devices. Tape recorders were promoted in 1930, and the smaller held cassette player in 1964. Sound waves were transmitted through microphone vibrations and converted to electrical current. These recorders contained reel-to-reel coated ferromagnetic flux material, which converts the electrical current into sound. Successful communication tool. I first used this device in 1972 when the individual keys representing single characters would strike a dry ink ribbon. The information would be reproduced onto paper. Our stereo. I enjoyed music of artists Bing Crosby, Elvis Presley, and Aretha Franklin in the 1970s. Vinyl records were created from a continuous analog signal. These continuous sound waves were recorded and transmitted to a cutting head. A stylus or needle cuts into lacquer rotating on a platform, creating ridges. A metal coating was used on the imprinted lacquer to create a master metal record for imprinting. A press was used to imprint the master record ridges onto softened vinyl, which was then cooled. The year 1889. They are seen less frequently with the emergence of cell phones. They have progressed from connecting your calls using coins or tokens to prepaid phone cards, credit cards, or debit card payments. I used these devices in the early 1970s to 1990s. For pliable magnetic storage data tools used in the computer. They are replaced by CDs, DVDs, and flash drives. Modems and exclusive phone lines were required using AOL dial-up for internet. A separate phone line was needed. If one was not acquired, a separate phone was not able to be used and a call is not received. The Kindle. Currently, I use a Kindle, which gives me immediate gratification in purchasing a book I can then read minutes later. Multiple reasons for using the laptop for me include online education courses, document and PowerPoint projects, Excel spreadsheets, banking, photo sharing, Skyping with my children, and watching movies. We have graduated from using flip phones to multifunctional smartphones. Now I can text, email, share photos, search the internet, play games, watch movies, enjoy WhatsApp, Snapchat, and Facebook on the go. A PlayStation Connect, Wii, Comcast Live, and other products for home entertainment. Is our home automated device, which provides music, news, and helps run our smart home. Sirius XM streams satellite to my radio in the car. Our car has Bluetooth that we use to connect our smartphones for safe, hands-free calls when driving. Verizon also provides our Humana Incorporated Hum device that is connected to our car's electronic system. The Hum device monitors vehicle diagnostics and provides roadside emergency assistance 24/7. Wi-Fi hotspots located in local cafes, libraries, etc. I use these for computer work. This class has taught me effectively how to use this service without loss of identity or information. Siri is my computer friend. Fax machine scanners and printers are also used. I use a computer for schoolwork, online banking, and shopping. My job requires fingerprinting to run a background check and criminal check. Accessing medications through our computerized storage system requires code and fingerprint recognition. Charting in most hospitals is computerized, increasing efficiency and reducing medical errors. Artificial intelligence, such as robots assisting in the medical field, will increase the accuracy of diagnostic evaluation and expedite patient care. Tracings. Blood pressure monitoring, oxygen saturation tracing are also used where I work. Information provided by the use of this technology, in addition to lab and radiologic results, physical examination, enhance the decision-making process for the determination of continued quality patient care. The future of multimedia. Genetics research, artificial intelligence, but learn how to utilize its power. 24/7 telemedicine is a software package for the healthcare provider. It is used and developed for smart technology devices. This technology assists with evaluation, diagnosing, and treating patients distantly, requiring only necessary trips to the hospital or doctor's office. There is a call for widespread use of this technology, which costs less for consumers because of less work missed, travel time, and gas usage, in addition to privacy. Healthcare providers appreciate the ease of fee collection, fewer missed appointments, and fewer cancellations. Driving and parking, which will promote safety. A left ventricular assist device for a dying heart will be completely encompassed in the chest cavity. There will be no need for external drive lines or controllers. Clean energy saves the planet, such as in the forms of solar power. You will see drones and flying cars, space exploration with the ability to sustain life in outer space will take place. But they will be safely used a form of crypto money and blockchains. Blockchain is a cryptocurrency ledger resembling multiple spreadsheets that cannot be copied. Information is only distributed through this technology. Cybersecurity will have to ensure the safety of the network's infrastructure. There will be a need for increased security experts to stay ahead of cyber criminals, who will find crypto money stored on the internet a treasure trove of potential illegal income. Changes and improvements in technology are exhilarating. The exciting new era of technology and advancement also comes responsibilities, such as ethical development and oversight of products, public safety, and cybersecurity. We will learn, as always, through trial and error because, after all, we are human. Technology must not take over humanity in this world. The purpose of technology is for advancement of society, infusing society with cost-saving sociological and technological knowledge to enhance human and environmental health and well-being are its goals.